Okay, I think I'm gonna begin the process of making the ramen.
Who's the room next to them?
Cool. Whoa. Okay, I think I'll prepare the ramen for you guys, and then we'll see what you guys think. How about that? Do you think that's gonna be good? Okay, cool. Okay, we got the water already in. We're making ramen in the coffee maker. We're gonna start making the water. I'm just gonna go with 1 cup for now.
Oh, this is a DC adapter? Man, this is a
Okay. I think it's working.
Oh, there
I think it's working.
Here you go, Johnny.
I can't tell if it's working or not. It's on. Is this working? Okay, we're gonna pour the water into the ramen now. Okay, I'm gonna pour the water in.
Go.
Are you doing time?
It's not hot. No. Ooh, baby. Oh, maybe I won't. Oh, never. Oh, wow. 1 cup was perfect then. Okay, cool.
I can't find my phone.
Whoops. Doesn't that look good?
No, it's just.
Wait, come on, dude. You're so negative, Thomas. Look at that. Look at that. It's so good. Okay, the seasoning does look a little bit fishy. If you know what that means. Hey, come on, man. Come on, man. Okay. We're just gonna wait until it warms up, and then we'll stir it up. We'll be back. Okay, we're back. The ramen's all warmed up. I'm gonna start garnishing it now, so you guys can enjoy. You know what I mean? Okay. We're just gonna have to. I call it the peach ring. You know, fancy stuff. Whatever this is, it looks pretty cool, so I'll add it too. Oh, these could be our chopsticks. Okay, so here are your chopsticks. Well, okay, that's pretty cool. Actually, I don't have anything else to garnish it with. Here, watch this. What goes best with shrimp? Cool Ranch or Doritos? Or one of these, would it? I think these will work good, right? Okay, let's try these. I'm gonna crush them up first. Film, right? Okay. See one. Oh crap. Okay. Oh crap. Pretty good. You know, nice little. Boom. And watch this. This is where the real stuff comes in. This is the real stuff. Let's see. What should we do? Sugar? Or the cream? What do you think would be better?
I think
Sugar?
fake sugar.
Okay, fake sugar.
It's gonna make it worse.
No. Okay.
Just don't tell them.
Okay. Oh, I'm gonna have to mix it up, so these are gonna become soggy. Okay, I'll just put some. Oh god!
That's disgusting.
You see that? Oh my gosh.
Okay, now you're gonna mix it so good.
Yeah, I gotta mix it. So that's why I put these in here. Oh, it's like slimy now. Here, I'm gonna take out the little garnish for a second. Okay. Watch, the next thing you know, I'm gonna spill this. Here, I'm gonna use a fork. The fork's a little bit easier. Okay. Maybe I should put the sugar in the water first. Okay. Yeah. So if you're doing this at home, yeah, I would recommend putting the special ingredient in the water first, then pouring the warm water into the ramen. That way, it's a little bit easier to mix up. You don't have to mix it up twice. Okay, should I put this in?
It's already bad. It's okay.
I'm gonna try it.
It's a little bit.
Hey, is anyone lactose intolerant? Nope. Yeah. I'm gonna try it.
It's cream.
Okay, it has no taste. I'm gonna do it. Okay.
Just makes it creamier.
Gosh. Hey, if you guys die, it's not my fault. Just saying.
You're eating it too.
Yeah, I'm eating it. That is true.
All of us have to eat it.
Okay. Okay.
That's what you get when you're part of this room.
Yep.
You're sexy.
Hi, Johnny.
Oh, what is that?
Okay,
Whoa! What?
that's pretty good.
I think that's done.
Should I put another one in?
Yeah, that's done. I think it's done.
Yeah. We're gonna have some little guys chilling out. Whoa. Chilling out on the side here. I want to get a blue one for some color diversity. Gotta put this down nicely.
What?
Okay, that wasn't really that nice, but I hope it's still warm. I'm pretty sure it'll still be warm.
It's warm.
Okay, that was really good, dude.
Okay.
Okay.
Whoa!
Huh? What?
Just give me a cut signal when you're
Okay. Oh, okay. Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
wait, no, I do have the ramen.
We'll put 2 garnishes on.
Brian does have ramen.
Oh, it's the fire one. Oh,
It's not
gosh.
fire.
Oh, it's not? Okay.
It's a black
Okay.
shin bowl.
We are done now. Okay, Johnny. Before going into this taste test of ramen, what are your thoughts? Do you think it's gonna be good, bad?
One question.
Yes,
You
sir.
put sugar in there?
You'll find out when you taste it. Are there any other questions that you may have, or what do you think it's gonna be like?
Alright. I think it's gonna be quite tasty.
Quite tasty?
Yep, with like the coffee.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes. Uh huh.
Coffee, candy,
Uh huh.
and more sugar.
Yes. Okay. Cool.
No, you can put more milk.
Put more milk? Okay. I'll think about that for my next recipe. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, Ryan. Welcome to the interview. I'm going to ask you a few questions about this taste test that's going to be going on.
Alright.
So, knowing this is going to be prepared by the amazing chef Matthew, what are your thoughts before going in?
I'm expecting something extraordinary.
Extraordinary? Yes.
I'm not sure if I mean that in a good way or a unique sense, but it's going to be something unnatural.
Okay, I like that. I like that. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Steven, so before the taste test is done, what are your thoughts about this? What are your thoughts going into this? Like, what are you prepared for? What are you thinking? Do you think it's going to be good, bad?
It's gonna be better than 8th grade.
Better than 8th grade? Okay, okay, okay.
No, not today.
Are there any other concerns, or maybe because you were there when I was making it? So do you think?
I'm gonna get cancer from that fake sugar you put in.
Wait,
You put sugar in there?
you're not supposed to say that.
My God.
Okay, oh, we're done. Thomas, what are your thoughts about the
On
taste
your
test?
ramen?
Yeah,
I
my
wanna
ramen.
try it.
You don't want to try it?
Oh, nope.
Why not? Don't you know I'm a good cook, right?
No.
Wait.
You don't even know how to boil water.
Yeah.
Wait. Wait, yeah, I do. What are you talking about?
Tim's house. And
You're exposing me, bro. Hey guys,
Brian,
we're
you need to sweet shirt.
today we're gonna be taste testing the special ramen that I made, and these guys are gonna be examining its taste.
We're gonna die.
Okay, Johnny. First.
Okay, I'm just gonna say if you really do not want to do it, I won't force you to. But it's not gonna kill you, and
Sure.
and it like it's like not bad. Wait, why'd you put a chip in there, bro?
That's
You
the-
put chips in.
That's
Okay.
the stuff.
This is the ramen. Who wants to go first?
I think you're the cook.
Are those?
I think I should go last.
What are these?
Oh, those are just coffee sticks. I use them as like makes it chopsticks. They're chopsticks. Just think of
Okay,
that.
so. I think we go this way.
Oh yes.
Oh, do you want some? Here, I'll get a spoon from the broth.
Oh no,
I don't
no.
want the broth.
No, not the
Yeah,
broth.
that's disgusting.
Oh, we're all eating from this coffee stick.
Alright. Pretty disgusting.
Whoa, wait, come on!
Fuck, you can use chopsticks for that game.
Oh yeah.
Dude, that's a big bite.
Hey, lean in. Come on. Oh my
You're dropping it on the ground, dude.
No, we
Yeah,
didn't.
we don't
I'll
know, man.
discuss the ingredients later.
Oh, he's
Oh!
he's going for it. Oh.
Oh, he put the big
Oh,
one.
dude. You look at that.
What the heck?
Is it good?
Dude, you have to swallow it.
Okay, Steven, your turn.
Get the broth.
I'm gonna drop it. I'm not gonna eat the noodles.
Oh,
eat
Steven.
one of the noodles. Eat one of the noodles.
This is gross. This didn't even cool the watermelon.
Oh my.
Are you gonna take one of the garnishes? Oh,
Ugh. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Take it, we don't have water.
okay, here. Here, Ryan. You can get Ryan. Okay, Ryan's about to try it.
Oh.
Oh, Ryan, you're
No,
good at
no,
chopsticks.
you have to
Wow.
eat the peach.
He's too Asian, dude.
Come on. Right.
The
Gotta
sour,
get the
the
peach.
sour patch stain.
Yes.
The peach?
Yeah.
No, that's a peach though.
Yeah.
The peach.
Yeah, we call it.
Squeezing the peach.
Oh, that's a.
I mean, that's a big bite.
Oh,
I think Thomas had the biggest bite.
that thing that Gabe did, he threw it away.
Yeah. I think Ryan has a big bite.
Is it good?
I just see like.
Is it good, Ryan?
Steak noodles is what I
It's not good.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it good? Like that, right?
see. You gotta get all furniture. You gotta start back and that pizza window happen.
Can we get some broth?
Yeah.
Get the sour patch and the pizza window.
Why is it white?
Because
You put cream in it.
oh, you did. You did.
And you have to get
What's up,
sour patch.
Oh,
You had to swallow it too.
Okay, I will.
Yeah.
Tell me I'm going.
You will.
Okay.
You will.
3, 2, 1.
Disgusting.
Solid.
Come on, come on.
Solid.
Oh!
That's actually bad.
It's
No, dude.
It's not bad.
Dude, you should serve it at the hotel.
I got a shrimp too!
It's not like you didn't put 2 packs of fake sugar in
Here you
it.
go, bro. I just with the water.
I gotta try that broth again, bro.
Oh,
no.
You have to finish it.
Oh no.
Because we know that if you throw it there. it's
Yeah,
gonna
you
get
can't
ass.
throw it out, dude.
Oh,
You have to
no.
finish all of it.
No!
Someone put ramen noodles inside the coffee maker last time.
Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah,
try, I'm gonna try the broth one more time.
And then we threw it into like the.
Oh. How is it?
Pretty good, huh?
Eat the Fritos.
I got you with the water.
I think the noodles are the worst.
I think you have to add more water.
I'm gonna try. No.
Oh my goodness.
I like how we're like drinking out of that bottle, throwing it back in there.
It's actually not that bad now that I think about it.
Yeah, sure.
I don't know about that.
Sure.
I don't know.
That's
It's
super.
sweet.
Like, yeah, the broth is like.
This refrigerator.
You put candy in it and then you put 2
Dude,
packs of
the
sugar in
AC
it.
sucks.
Okay, guys, so these were the ingredients. I got the hot water, and it tastes like coffee because it's from the bag. So it tastes like coffee. So coffee water. I put in the ramen noodles. It's shrimp flavored. There's like seaweed in it. There's like salty.
Yes, you have to iron some ramen.
Yeah, we have to iron it next week.
And then next, I added 2 packs of sugar, 1 creamer,
No, it's fake sugar.
fake sugar, 2 packs of fake sugar,
Oh.
1 creamer. I added some garnish with the peach O's, and then I put some more garnish with,
Peach
with the Fritos and the Sour Patch. So,
We should try ironing
gosh.
every single thing that we have.
those are the ingredients. Okay. So, did you guys like it?
Sure.
No.
Oh my goodness. This guy.
They liked it. They liked it. We're done here.
Soon as you laugh.